Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to install and use ChatterBox TTS, an incredible tool that allows you to create and clone your own AI voices right on your local computer, all using Pinokio AI. As we showed in our previous video, Pinokio is a browser that installs complex AI applications on your computer with a single click. If you haven't installed it yet, I recommend checking out our previous guide. Now, let's start by opening Pinokio. On Pinokio's main screen, we'll click the Visit Discover page button to enter the application catalog. This is where you can find hundreds of different AI tools. In the search bar, type Chatter to begin our search. In the search results, you'll see Chatterbox Multilingual. This is a state-of-the-art open-source text-to-speech engine that supports multiple languages. Click on it to go to the installation page. On this page, you can see the project's GitHub link and developer information. In addition to the GitHub link and developer information, you can also research the security and efficiency of the software from alternative sources if you wish. To start the installation, click the One-Click Install with Pinokio button. Pinokio will ask for confirmation to download the script. Click Download to continue. Now we're at one of the most critical stages. A list of all the necessary software and libraries for Chatterbox to run will appear. Tools like Conda, Git, Python. And this is the beauty of Pinokio. When you click the Install button, it will automatically download and set up all these dependencies for you. The installation process may take some time depending on your computer and internet speed. You can follow the process on the terminal screen as Pinokio downloads all the files and prepares the virtual environment in the background. This automation reduces a technical setup that could normally take hours to just a few minutes. After all dependencies are installed, Chatterbox itself will be downloaded and ready for installation. On this screen, we click the Install button again. Pinokio will now clone the application into its designated folder structure and perform the final preparations. Once the installation is complete, you'll be directed to the Application Control Panel. The Open Web UI option in the left menu will open the Chatterbox interface in your browser. The initial launch might take a moment as the application loads its models.
That place in the distance, it's huge and dedicated to Lady Shah. It can only mean one thing. I have a hidden place close to the cloister where Night Orchid...
We examined the existing sound sample that came with the program and will soon conduct tests that include our own sound references. When you see running on local URL in the terminal, the interface is ready. And here is the Chatterbox TTS interface. Let's take a quick tour. At the top, you have text input, language selection, and a multilingual model download manager. In the middle, there's an area for uploading a reference audio file and listening to the generated audio. On the right, you'll find waveform analysis and export options. At the bottom are the settings where we'll shape the character of the voice, voice presets, advanced settings, and audio effects and processing. These settings are the heart of the voice generation process. By reviewing the section summarizing best practices and tips, you can find very useful reference information on the program's fine-tuning and how to use it most efficiently. As an example, let's create a test sound generation without changing the program's default settings, default sound reference sample, or text prompt.
Now let's make my mum's favourite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan. Then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible.
From the export options, you can export the sounds you create in formats such as MP3 or WAV. We exported in high-quality WAV format and saved our first sound to the desktop. Now for the most exciting part, cloning our own voice. This is for the first night. In the second part, we will see In the reference audio file section, we upload a clean audio recording of about 5 to 15 seconds with no background noise. After uploading, click the Analyze Audio button to let the AI analyze the characteristics of your voice. Help! Help! Hey! Hi! Can anyone hear me? Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable! Once the analysis is complete, let's save this voice as a preset for future use. Go to the Voice Presets section, give it a memorable name in the New Voice Preset name field, like Excited Voice, and then click the Save Voice button. Your voice profile is now saved and ready to be used anytime. Let's test the voice we just saved. Select the Excited Voice profile you just created from the Select Voice preset menu and click Load Voice. Hello. Now, type any text into the text box at the top and press Generate Speech. When the generation is finished, you'll see a new waveform in the panel on the right. Let's listen to the result by pressing play. Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan, then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible. As you can see, the AI has read the text with the tone, pace, and emotion of your voice. This is incredible technology. Let's push the character of the voice even further. By playing with the exaggeration and CFG pace settings, you can make the speech more dramatic or more monotone, faster or slower. The temperature setting under advanced settings controls the AI's creativity. Higher values give more varied results, while lower values are more consistent. Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan, then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible. Let's review the sounds we recorded on the desktop again. Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan, then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible. Now let's make my mom's favorite. So 3 Mars bars into the pan, then we add the tuna and just stir for a bit. Just let the chocolate and fish infuse. A sprinkle of olive oil and some tomato ketchup. Now smell that. Oh boy, this is going to be incredible. One of Chatterbox's most powerful features is the conversation mode. By enabling this mode, you can create dialogues with multiple speakers. In the text box, write a script by starting each line with the speaker's name followed by a colon, speaker name text. After writing the script, click the Analyze Script button. Chatterbox will automatically detect all the speakers in your text. Now you can assign a different voice to each speaker. You can either use your previously saved voice presets or upload new reference audio for each one. Once you've assigned a voice to each speaker, click the Generate Conversation button. The AI will generate the entire dialogue with the different voices you've assigned in a natural-sounding flow. This is an incredible time saver for podcasts, audiobooks, or animations.
Hello, Bob.
Hi Alice, how's it going?
Great. I wanted to tell you about my trip.
When you're happy with the result, you can save the generated audio to your computer in WAV format by clicking the download icon in the top right. By the way, you can also change the emphasis and emotions of conversations with punctuation marks.
Hey! Hello, Bob!
Hey, hi, Alice, how's it going?
Great. I wanted to tell you about my trip.
And that's it. Using Pinokio AI and Chatterbox TTS, you can now generate and clone professional quality AI voices from the comfort of your own studio.
Hello, Bob.
Hey, Alice, how's it going?
Great. I wanted to tell you about my trip.
Is that so? Where?
Oh, come on, Bob, guess. You know I hate spoilers.
Fine London then, and met the Queen?
Uh-huh. No, but I did eat 17 croissants.
Paris?
Yes.
You'll soon discover a wide range of fresh and diverse educational content on our channel, focused on artificial intelligence and Pinokio AI. To get the most out of our training sessions and fully grasp the concepts, we strongly recommend watching each video from start to finish without skipping any parts. We also encourage you to explore both our previously published content and the exciting new videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.